Hey guys, if your Philips TV is randomly shutting itself off by itself, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this. So to stop your TV from automatically turning off, what we need to do is head over to your TV remote, and we're just going to press the home button located here, and this will bring up the Philips home screen. Then using the arrow keys, come over to settings, come down and scroll all the way across to the right, and we need to select all settings. Then from here come all the way down to general settings, come across, and we need to select eco settings. Now this may look slightly different on your television depending on your model, but every television will have this eco settings or something labeled quite similarly. So what we need to do is come across to energy saving and make sure this is turned off. Then we're going to scroll down to switch off timer and head inside of here. And what you need to do is just drag this all the way to the bottom using the downwards arrow, and also make sure this timer is turned off. Then we can come back out of here, come back over to the main settings window, come down to update software, and then just go ahead and press search for updates, select internet, and then finally press scan now. And this will just check to make sure you're running the latest firmware for your Philips television. Obviously, you just need to ensure that you do have an internet connection, and if there is an update found, then just go ahead and install that now. And lastly, if your Philips television is still turning itself off, what we can do is head back over to the home menu, come back over to settings in the top here, come all the way across and come back into all settings, come down once again to general settings, come across, and we just need to scroll down to reinstall TV and click OK. And then you'll get this message pop up. Are you sure you want to reinstall the TV? All settings will be reset and installed channels will be replaced. So this will be like when you first bought your television. So you'll need to set everything up again as if it was brand new. So just go ahead and press yes, and by following all those steps in this video, that should have fixed any issues with your TV automatically shutting down. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.